What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna talk about mental health for music producers, right? So yeah man, I had a thought in my mind that I should talk about mental health for music producers and what music producers or beat makers they go through on a day-to-day. You understand? Mental health is very important. Like, of course, you gotta motivate yourself, you gotta keep the fire burning, you gotta keep the inspiration going, you gotta keep going, you understand? But mental breakdowns are there for music producers. Man, this other day I was making beats. I had headache, bro. Like, I had headache, big strong headache, and I was like, I need to like produce something and release it, right? And upload and share with you guys and everything, but it was so strong that I couldn't do anything, and then I felt like it was a mental breakdown. But of course it was just a headache. I took like 2 days, the whole weekend, just to get through it, but now I'm feeling much better, thank you. And like, besides about the headache, I'm talking about mental health, what we go through as music producers or beat makers, especially comparing yourself to other music creators, not feeling like what you're producing is enough, not really actually focusing on your sound, actually moving from sound to sound and actually using different instruments, and not really following like the plan or like having a schedule can really take your time off and can really make you feel like you are wasting time while you're creating something nice like making beats. You understand? I've had a lot of projects that I'm still working on them, but I didn't save zip files, I didn't save mp3s, fmls, like because of like mental health, strong mental issues that I need to address with myself. Psychologically, you would say that, yeah man, it's good to make beats every day, Monday to Sunday or Monday to Friday, but still you need to deal with your mental health, you need to deal with the psychology, you need to deal with how you're feeling for that specific time, you need to deal with how you're feeling with what you're making, how you're feeling with the instrument that you're using. Maybe you're laying down a chord progression, is it good? Do you really need to change it, switch it up? And do you really like to add the bass or using the 808 on the beat you're working on? So a lot of people, they don't understand that the music is a process, right? So they expect you to start making music today and then blow up tomorrow, but it doesn't work like that. Everything takes time, gotta be patient. But still, I've had a lot of rappers that they still want me to send them beats. When I tell them about business, they don't understand. They just think like I'm just being selfish, but at the end of the day they know that you gotta make something out of it, right? You gotta produce, you gotta also make it a business, you know, if it's benefiting you, if it's working for you. But anyways, back to mental health. I've seen a lot of people who came in the game, or I've started with a lot of people that were in the game but now they gave up because they're stuck, they don't know what to do, they're not feeling inspired anymore. So like, these things, they really affect us, so we need to deal with and address these issues so that like the next generation can understand that it's not about maybe creating a content, it's about you also dealing with yourself. Most people, they don't want to be alone, they feel like it's crazy. You're only alone, you're crazy, you don't or you're only alone, you get bored, or you don't feel like it's your superpower. You start to get new ideas and you start to be strong and all that, and you become creative, you know. So again, like, mental health is very important for each and every music producer out there. I know you guys, you really go through a lot just to make it one simple beat. You really like, you have to go through a lot, especially FLStudiomobile producer, because there's a bunch of sounds that really are not that good, but we try to find them so that they can be good for the sound that we are looking for, you understand? So like guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to talk about these issues and address some of the mental health that we guys struggle with in this music industry.